This is a pretty unusual clock. It's called a Freischwinger clock, so called because it's free swinging. It's just suspended from the bracket at the top on a suspension spring. Now we've got it on a wall bracket there, but it could just as well be on a ceiling bracket. And then it's got this rather lovely brass and steel rod pendulum in lyre form, and then two 11-inch dials, one on either side. This one at the front has got a seconds hand, and if I go around the back, one at the back doesn't have seconds hand, but has the winding there, almost obliterated by the hour hand. It's got a 14-day movement, which drives both dials, but the hands on both dials. It's fitted with a pinwheel escapement and threaded beat adjustment here, which I'm just trying to focus in on. So both hour hands could be set to different time zones. And I can think of an awful lot of places where this would look really amazing.